Hi everyone. Today we represent you with our weekly insight on Revit object visibility in plan views. In this Connect edition of Revit, we shall deep dive to understand factors that are associated with view ranges. Capricot is a Win0 company and partner of choice for AC industry and is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training centers. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with client over 20,000 in AEC and associated industries. Myself, Anurag, the solution specialist for architecture at Capricot Technologies. In this insight, we will be covering how to use view range and its associated factors so that we can view them particularly in our plan views. In the view range, we have an options for associating its level and view depth, which helps us to view objects at particular levels, say ceilings or floors, etc., which are also connected with disciplines and is also interlinked with those disciplines. So let us just move on to a live demo part of it. And here I am at my screen and you can see that there are 4 tables that are available to us in the 3D view of our software interface. And just I'm going to my floor plans level 0 itself where they are associated. But over here you can see as there are only 2 tables that are available. So what is the root cause of it? So the root cause of it is view range of a particular plan. So on the left hand side, you can see my property palettes. So I would be going to my view range, edit, click on edit. And here you can see we have the primary range that is top, cut plane and the bottom. So it is yet associated with level 0 because we are working at level 0 itself right now in plan. And we have a cut plane where we are cutting at 1200 mm. So it means that below 1200 mm, you can see everything. And the top part is associated with the same level, but with an offset of 2300 mm. That means anything above 2300 mm on level 0, you won't be able to see. So that's the basic thing to it. Now I will just be canceling it for a while and I will take you to my elevations. So over here you can see the level 0 and I have my table associated at this level. Then at level 1 at 4000 mm we have a table, and at level -1 at that is below the ground level. So we have one more table associated with it. I would be going back to my level 0. I will be going back to my view range in palette template. And suppose I make top constraint as 5000. That means anything till 5000 of range should be visible to me in my plan. So I will say apply and OK. But here you can't see anything of it. So the purpose of it is like the table is being associated with level 1 and plus that is its own height 4000 plus suppose 750, so it would be 4750 of range but at level 1, and I want everything to be visible on level 0 at my floor plan. So I have to make my cut plan as well on the same part, so below cut part I would be able to see everything. I will go back and I won't associate because I want everything to be in level 0 itself, and I will make my cut plan as well at a range of 5000. So anything below 5000 of cut plan should be visible to me in level 0. I will say apply and OK. So you can see already one of the table has been into our view. So that's the basic of visibility, why we can't see this. And second part of it is also related to its visibility graphics. So I will type VG and say enter. And here we have our visibility graphics. And because it's a furniture family, so if I just click uncheck it and apply it, everything won't be visible to me in my plan. So this is the second root cause of it. So again, I will be going back to my visibility graphic VG, and we'll check on my furniture, apply, okay. So that's the entire procedure of doing it. We will see one more thing in it. In this, now we have to see the table which is below our ground level. So we will again be going to view range, edit, and now we have to change our cut plane and top plane. Suppose now if I make my cut plane as 2300 mm, so I won't be able to see my part of my table which is at level 1. And particularly I will make my cut plane at 1200. I need everything below 1200 to be visible to me. And associated level is also 0 because I need to watch things in level 0. And table till minus 3000 level, and I will say apply. Okay, now you can see a table which was at the lower ground level is visible to us in our view. This can done with this can also be done with one more thing, like you can go on to view range, and over here you can associate, make it as 0, and you can associate the same thing with level below, apply. Okay, same results would be there. So I think this is more than sufficient for us. I hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insights on Revit in our next upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the updates. We would be delighted to hear from you. Do reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you want to discuss. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.